Fuck overheat. Let's do this at 125th Street Station. For real, man. For real. Hurricanrana. Boom shakalaka. For real. For real though, back attack time, no rolling allowed. I suggest you wanna roll the flip. Boom shakalaka, let's go motherfucker, word up.
What you got now, kid?
What you got, train station? No basket for you? Here we go. Nah, I mean? Straight up, son. Chill. Hurricanrana on your ass. For real, I'll be there. I suggest you run the road with the clip, you know what I mean? Back attack, train fatality, here we go with that motherfucker. Beat your ass for the testimony, know what I mean? Let's go, bitch ass niggas. No basket for the bitch ass niggas. Let's go, motherfucker, word up.
What you got now, kid?
Not here? They're here.
Pay attention, kid. I'm gonna show you my
Let's see
art
what we do
tonight.
now.
So how do a punk like you even end up in here?
Nothing was nothing is what you got. I hate seeing that. Oh, I hate to say it, but you gave it away. Tons of effort. Tons of EFFORT, but no reward. You gotta believe. All that parrying shit. The zero, the zilch, the zippo. When must have grabbed it? All kinds of eggs, goose eggs, duck eggs, even the mother hen. That's a tough turf. Remember, don't make it fail about grapple counter, parry, mountain, roll away. I suggest you on the road, click to the back attack, yacht. Get some, and fuck the trains coming. That's what I'm talking about, motherfucker, word up.
What you got now, kid?